There was 3 young children, they went to New York on New Year's Eve. And the hotel that they had checked into, the old hotel they had checked into a long time ago, the people at the receptionist told them that the hotel shuts down the elevator after midnight. At midnight, if you come after midnight, the elevator is not going to work. The 3 young children in New York having the time of their life, and they ended up at the hotel after midnight. So the 3 youngsters, they said, okay, how do we distract our mind? When you want to kill time, you want to waste time, or you're doing some work, or you're exercising, you're working out, you want to listen to something that distracts your mind, it doesn't make you caught up in the difficulty that you're going through. So you distract your mind, you listen to something. So the children said, okay, we're going to distract our minds. So the children said, okay, we're gonna split it up between 3 of us. Their room was on the 60th floor. So instead of taking the elevator, now they have to walk up 60 floors. So they said, okay, we're going to split it up. The first person for the first 20 floors has to tell jokes. Keep us laughing. Motivated. We're enjoying our time. We're not going to feel it. The second 20, we're going to say some motivational things. That, encourages you to do things. Motivates you, because after 20 floors, you're probably tired, so you need some motivational topics. And then the third one is going to say some sad or some scary stories. Because we're almost at our room, and then when we reach our room, we want to go to sleep. So we want to be sad, we want to be scared, we can just get in our blanket and go to sleep. So they did that. For the first 20, the person said jokes, and they made it to the 20th floor. For the next 20, the person said his motivational, wisdom, hikmah, and they made it to the 40th floor. Now it's the third person's turn, who's supposed to say some sad or scary stories. So the third person says, my first sad or scary story is that I forgot the key to the room in the car. I forgot the key to the room in the car. This is our life. For 20 years, it's a joke. He's a kid. Let him have fun. Let him enjoy life. Let him have fun. Don't be strict with him. Don't be serious with him. He doesn't need to read Quran right now. He doesn't need to do his tahajjud right now. He doesn't need to do his prayers right now. He's only a kid. Let him live life. Let him enjoy life for 20 years. Then after 20 years, we say, now you have to get married, you have to get a job, you have to provide for your family. Now son, daughter, you have to take life seriously. And when you reach the age of 40 and you have kids, 45, 50, you have kids, or you're getting older, now when it's time, the near end time comes, you don't have strength no more. You're weak. Now we say, now we need the key. Now we need to talk to Allah. The key to success at the age of 60 is the same key at the age of 13. The key to success in this life is the same key for a 13-year-old that it is for a 16-year-old.